Okay, so it's been a few minutes now, and so we're going to look at what kind of reaction we got. So for number 4, you're going to record the reactions that you got into this table. So what we're looking for is a color change. So if we look at this strip and there's a color change, then you'll write a reaction. If not, say no. Okay, so very simple here with this section. All right, so let's take a look then, and I'll lay them out on each respective well that it was in. So here is the copper metal and the copper nitrate. Okay, tell if there's a color change at all at the very tip. Okay, here is the copper in the iron. Has there been a color change? Again, with the copper in the zinc, is there a color change? Here's iron and copper. This one I want to point out, there is a color change on the edge. It's kind of black. Can you see that? Yeah? Okay. Do you see any kind of color change? This is with the iron. Okay, the iron. Is there a color change with the zinc? All right, now we're moving to the zinc metal. Zinc metal and copper. Is there a color change? Here's zinc in the iron. Do you see a color change? And then here is zinc in zinc. Is there a color change? So the next thing you're going to do is number 5, record the metals that were oxidized and respective oxidizing agents. So again, you're coming down into this table and you're going to look at copper. Okay, did copper oxidize? Did you have a color change here in any of these? Yes or no? Did iron have a color change? Did any of these have a color change? And then here with zinc, did you have any color changes here? Yes or no? And then if you did, which one of these made the change? Which was the oxidizing agent? And again, if there was a color change in here, which one was the oxidizing agent? And you can have more than one or you can have none. Okay? And then the question here, which metal is the most reactive and how do you know this? Well, which one of these had the most reactions that you saw? Okay? Then you're going to rank them. Did this one have more than this one, and or did one of them have none? Just list these in order of who had the most reactions. Here you're going to give me that single replacement reaction that I had in the other video. If, say, you had a reaction here, you need to write iron plus iron nitrate, and they swapped, and this is what happened. For each one of these that had a reaction, you need to give me an equation. If 4 of these had a reaction, I expect 4 equations in this area here. Number 4 was iron ion reduced. They're talking about here. We put iron ion in here. Did any of these get reduced? Was there a reaction? If so, which was the reducing agent? Well, it wouldn't have been one of these. It would have been one of these. Okay? So again, if you have any questions, email me with your questions. And I hope this worked out for you. Thank you very much.